Welcome to the Learn to Sew Academy channel. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Brother LX3817 lightweight full-size sewing machine. It's a very basic sewing machine, which is perfect for beginners when it comes to sewing. It has many different types of things that you can use, such as an easy bobbin winder, an easy stitch selector, a reverse sewing lever, a super bright LED lit work area, a jam-resistant quick set drop-in top bobbin, a free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves, and upper thread tension control dial. Now I'm going to unbox it. One of the first things that I noticed when unboxing this sewing machine was an operation manual describing how this whole sewing machine works, and it's very detailed too. Also, there is an instructional DVD included so that if you want, you may be able to watch how you can operate the machine. And there are several other papers talking about warranties and for going to their website and finding more information. Right here we have a pedal and the power cords that you can attach to the sewing machine. And as you'll notice throughout this entire video, a lot of this stuff is wrapped in plastic of some sort or maybe cardboard. Here is the pedal and some of the accessories that this set comes with. This is a buttonhole foot A. This is a zipper foot I. This is a button sewing foot M. This is a pack of 3 sewing machine needles. There is a screwdriver, a darning plate, and there are 4 bobbins, but one of them is already placed inside of the sewing machine once you bring that out. Now let's move on to the sewing machine. As you can see here, it is wrapped in a bag once you take it out of the box. And it has a really pretty design here, right on the side. I'm gonna just remove this bag and take it out of the way so you guys can take a better look at it. Already attached to it are a few pieces of some kind of tape to help to hold some of the very important pieces together. I'm just going to remove some of these and take them out of the way. This is a quick reference guide, by the way, so that you don't have to spend a ton of time trying to flip through the main manual, just trying to look for something simple. While removing everything off of the machine, I came across a piece of cardboard right here underneath the presser foot. In order to remove it, you need to gently pull it out from underneath, and then you can easily bring the presser foot up and down using the lever, which you can find in the back. Now here is where that 4th bobbin is located, already placed in the machine once you bring it out of your box. There is a bobbin cover. In order to remove that without breaking anything, you need to gently slide it out from its place so that you can easily replace a bobbin or remove it from its spot. and then you can just slide it right back into place, making sure that it clicks. Here, the Zig Zag Foot J is already been placed into the machine before bringing it out of the box. This is another one of the things that have already been put in for you. Also located here on the side is the stitch adjustment knob and the reverse placement here where you can push it down. This is the reverse lever, and if you want to make a reverse stitch, or if you are just planning on locking your stitch, you can just press it down right here if you want. And over here on the side is a knob that you can use to allow your needle to go up and down. See that? Another feature on this sewing machine is a free arm. So if you just need a little bit more space and there isn't enough space for you to be putting your fabric through, you can free up your space by removing this hard plastic piece from the very front of your sewing machine. So it gives you more space and more room to sew. This is how you put it back into place, making sure that it clicks. So I hope that you really enjoyed this unboxing video when we unbox the Brother LX3817 sewing machine. And it has a lot of really good detail in it, and it's just perfect for any beginner who really wants to learn how to sew. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Learn to Sew Academy for a lot of really great tutorials and where you can find out so many ways to make such fun and unique items every day.